I am about to make some dinner, so we're going to have some pasta. I know how you guys love it when I talk about like just normal daily stuff at home. So I've already got some pork mince cooked and everything, so I just need to boil some pasta. I've got some pasta sauce. This one's from Del Mio. This is the extra bolognese sauce, just one of our favorites really. So while I get all of that ready, I thought I would, so while I let the pasta boil and everything, I thought I would just quickly show you guys stuff that I received in the mails, and it's been quite a good mail week, to be honest. Okay, so my partner has helped me lay everything out on the table. So first up, we've got products from BYS. So as you guys can see, these are from their berries collection. So I think they've expanded the berries collection. So we have the original berries palette. So that's what it looks like. As you guys know, very similar to the Modern Renaissance from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And this is the second version of the palette. It's actually really cute. I'm living for that pink color. We've also got the blush trio, which is a slightly pinkier berry tone, obviously, compared to the peach one. And then we've also got like another mini palette over there. And then we've also got the glitter one. Nail polishes, as you guys saw earlier. Some, I think these are lip glosses. Yes, this one looks really interesting. I wonder if it actually looks the same on the inside. That packaging looks like this lilac-y color. I wonder if it is the same on the inside. Then we've also got two more palettes. So we've got this one, which just has like mattes and shimmers from what I can tell, and this one has some glitter as well. If you guys are wondering if these products have a berry scent, yes they do. Up next we've got ModelCo. I think I received this earlier in the week. Thank you so much, Tess. So we have got a mascara. This one looks like, is it a tubing mascara? No, I don't think so. It's a volumizing mascara. Ooh, I love mascaras with that kind of brush. Let's zoom into that. Yeah, I love it when they have that kind of brush because I find it so much easier to get my corner lashes. So I'll let you guys know how this goes. And we've also got some brow gel, brush on fiber gel. I think we've got two here. I think these are the same shade. Up next we have products from Bobbi Brown. Now this one is the rose nude one, and it's so cute, and these are definitely my colors, as you guys can see. It's just got that nice neutral tone, but it's got that slight pinky flush, that one in particular, love that. And that has that nice warm tone. And we've got three highlighters. I found it really hard to open the packaging for these ones. I tried opening them for Instagram stories, but I'll show you guys what they look like. So these are the shades. So I think I've got like the pinky shade, the coppery shade, and the champagne shade. So these products will be available on the 5th of August at selected David Jones Meyer stores, and also Mecca Maxima. And we got this really cute package from Frank Body. Haven't really tried anything from Frank Body before. I think I might have tried out a little sample of their body scrub, but I haven't tried anything else. So we have got the Frank Body Creamy Face Cleanser. We have got the Creamy Face Scrub, and we also have the Everyday Face Moisturizer. Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today is Saturday. Is it still morning? Yes, technically, we've only got a few minutes before noon. So my partner and I are going to go out to see my cousin Nicole, and then we're also going to check out this burger place. Now this one is called Blue Marlin Fish and Chips, as you guys can see on the screen. They do pretty decent looking burgers, like they're massive. Also, I checked out the menu, the prices. Surprisingly, they're pretty affordable. I thought, I'm not really sure if the big massive ones are also that affordable, but from what I can see from their menu, they range anywhere from like $10 to $18–20 for their standard burgers. So pretty impressed with the pricing. So we're definitely going to check that out, and also because I haven't seen Nicole in forever, so we're just going to catch up and check out this burger joint. So come on, let's go. Cool, so we're going to go to this place called Blue Marlin, and my partner has been seeing this on Instagram for the longest time, so we're going to finally check it out. Hey, so we're now seated. So this is the menu, and I'll show you guys the Instagram later. Oh, there it is. That's their Instagram. So that's their Instagram if you guys want to check it out, and their Facebook page, and also their address. So we've had a look, and honestly I want to try their fried chicken burger and maybe just grab some regular chips as well. Alright, so we've just had our burgers, and the burgers were amazing. So full, so worth it. So we're now heading off to Coles. We just need to grab a couple of things from the supermarket. I need to grab some lip liner for a makeup look that I'm doing. I don't know if I can share it with you guys just yet, but make sure you guys are subscribed so you know when it comes out. Guys, what is this hair? Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. So I'm just continuing this vlog from last time's vlog. I didn't expect to be vlogging today. I honestly thought this package would be arriving tomorrow. Anyway, I basically ordered a used MacBook, a 2009 15-inch MacBook off eBay because my old MacBook has died. Sorry if that's noisy. That's just a sandwich press. I'm heating up my lunch. So yeah, my old MacBook died, served me really well. I've tried every single helpful tip and trick on YouTube to try and fix it, but I think it's a hardware problem, and honestly the amount of money I'd have to spend to fix it is the same, it would actually be more than actually just buying a used MacBook. Unfortunately, I'm not financially capable of buying a new MacBook as much as I'd love to buy a new one because I know how snappy they are. I know they don't have ports and stuff, like this whole issue with the new MacBooks, but anyway. And I thought I would just grab this one because I needed one, really. I like editing on my iMac, but I do prefer editing on the lounge. There's just something about relaxing on the lounge and editing. Sorry, that's just the cheese. But yeah, I'm really excited. I use the click and collect option on eBay. If everything goes well, I'll link the seller down in the description box down below. It looks like they're a refurbishing place or a pawn shop that have refurbished technology and are selling it off on eBay. I think that's what it is. But I'm really excited, so I'm taking you guys along with me. So I'm back home, and this is the laptop. As you guys can see, there's some scuff marks and stuff, but I expect that because it was in the description, but I haven't turned it on. Really excited. What's really cool is they also sent a new MacBook charger, which I did not expect. I thought it was going to be an old banged up one as well, but it looks new. I don't think this is the original one, which is absolutely fine as long as it charges and it works. Have no complaints. It does feel a little bit dirty. I think they've tried to clean it already, but I feel like it's a little bit dirty for my liking, so I'm just going to give it a wipe down before I turn it on. And this is the gigantic box it came in. It's like huge. I know it says Dell, even though it's a Mac laptop, but it was really big. I had to carry it from the train station. It was such a big box. I had to carry it from QV all the way to Melbourne Central, hop on a train, carry that all the way back to the apartment. It's not like a long walk or anything, but it was just really big, and I had to carry it with both hands. So it was kind of like a balancing act. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to clean it first, and then turn it on, and then I'm going to load all my favorite apps and stuff, and back to the MacBook Pro life. This in the mail. So this one is from Mecca Maxima. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh, they gave me chocolate. Oh, I wish I didn't eat so much, as we just had dinner. We had KFC. But yeah, I might have some tomorrow. So this is part of their package, and this is their little leaflet. So it says here, Mecca Max is now 100% vegan. Yes. So it says here, Mecca Max goes wild about vegan. Yes. So no animal-derived ingredients of any kind. So if you guys are really into cruelty-free makeup, this is definitely a brand to check out. So we've got a couple of lippies. We've got a lip gloss from what I can see. So that's what the applicator looks like, and let's test out pigmentation. Sorry, I'm using my phone, so it's hard to just hold the phone. So that is one swipe, and that is pretty pigmented, I have to say. So I might try these out in a makeup tutorial. I might not be able to film this weekend because my family's coming over from Hong Kong, so I'll see when I can film, but I have definitely a couple of new products that I want to try out and do an Instagram video for you guys. But yeah, I might try the chocolate out tomorrow for breakfast. Like maybe just one, like not a lot obviously. That's pretty much it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you guys enjoyed. Tell me down in the comment box down below, are you guys going to check out the new Mecca Max range now that it's all vegan? I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye!